Hello children. Before we could go on for division, it's first time in my videos I've got 2-3 comments where they said I didn't understand, I don't understand. So for those children, for that purpose, I'm repeating the 11 sum because there was someone who said that this 11 sum they didn't understand and they said it's a mistake or whatever. Anyway, without wasting much time, I'm repeating that. See. Okay, and there was a query also whether we should put an x or 0. Put anything children, doesn't matter, even if you leave space, okay, but since you're small, leaving space, you make an error, later you'll fill up, so it's better you put a 0 or a cross. There's no harm in that. Okay, let's start. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 6, 1 carried. Okay, 8 threes are 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 5, 2 carried. 8 fours are 32, 32 plus 2, 34. So this first with the digit 8 is done. Now before going on for the next digit, that is 7. So this is in units place, this is in tens place. So here in the next line you have to put a cross or a 0. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 1 carried, above 3. 7 threes are 21 plus 1, 22. So 2 and 2 will be carried here. 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 2, 29, 30. Now with the next digit, put 2 crosses. Units, tens you're blocking because we are starting with hundreds place now. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So 2 here and 1 carried. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9. 1 carried over 4. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Now add children. 8 will come down. 6 plus 7, 13. So 3 and 1 carried over here. Okay, so 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. So 6 and 1 carried over 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 8, 9, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 2, 1 carried over 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, and 2 comes down. So 29,29,638. This is the answer. Hope now you must have understood this sum. Now next we will be doing problem set 15. Solve the following and write the quotient and remainder. So it's a division sum. You already are aware about division sum. It's only now, since you are in 5th standard, the dividend and the divisor, the numbers are going to grow. That means you are going to get a bigger dividend and a bigger divisor to divide with. That's the only difference. Let's get started. Problem set 15. So 1284 divided by 32. 32 is a 2-digit children. So here we cannot take 2 digit because 12 is much smaller than 32. So we take 3 digit, 128. So 128, 32 into 4, that is 32 fours are 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 128, 32 fours are gives us. So 32 fours are 128. 0, 0, 0. Then 4 we bring down to divide, but 4 is a single digit and not possible to divide with 32. So 32 zeros are 0. 4 minus 0, 4. So this is all done. So what is our quotient? Our quotient is 40. Quotient means this answer. Quotient is 40 and remainder is 4. So quotient is 40 and remainder is 4. Now in case you are in a doubt whether my answer is right or wrong, it's very simple. What you got to do is dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, check your answer by using this formula. Dividend is 1284. This is your dividend. Is equal to divisor is 32 into quotient 40 plus 4. So this answer we should get equal to our dividend. Then our answer is correct. Okay. So 32 into 40. 32 4s is 128. That means 1280. 32 into 40 plus 4 will give us 1284. That means see, this answer and this answer both are same. That means our answer is correct. Okay, quotient 40 is correct, children. So hope you must have understood the division very carefully and easily. Now we go on for the next sum. 5586 divided by 87. Okay, 87, 55. 55 is much smaller than 87. So we have to take 3 digits. 558. 558. Now that is possible with 87 6a. 87 6a is 522. How do we find out which table? It's very simple, children. Just see. 87 into, this is my working column. 87 into. So if because you're 558. Okay. 6 7s are 42. Okay. 7 7s are 49. 5 7s are 35. So whatever number you want to take, you can take. And just see in the units place will be just closer to the 8. Okay. So 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. 2 carried. 4 8s are 32. 32, 33, 34. It's a very small number. So try with 7s are. 7 7s are 49. 9, 4 carried here. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 4 will give us how much? 60. This is bigger than 558. So naturally, I will take the next smaller number. 87 6a. 6 7s are 42. 2, 4 carried. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 4 will give us how much? 52. So 522 is a number we can take. And that is 87 6a. 522. Okay. Minus it. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 5, 0. 36. Now we'll bring this 6 down. So it is 366. Let us see which number gives us or closer to that. 87, 6 is 522. So let us try with 5s. 5 7s are 35. 5 3 carried. 5 8s are 40. 43. No, it's a bigger number. Then we go for the other number. 87 4s are. 4 7s are 28. 8 2 carried. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3 33 34. So we can go for 4s, right? 87 4s. 87 4s are 348. Minus it. 6 minus 1 you have given here. From 6 you have minused and you have given to 6. So it will become 16. 16 minus 8 will be 8. And this is 5. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 3 minus 3 0. So 18 is the remainder. So write down quotient 64, remainder 18. Okay, you can check it out from the way that I have taught you, that is using this formula. You can check out whether your answer is right or wrong. So 87 into 64 plus 18 will give us 5586. Hope you have understood this division, children. Now the fourth sum, as third sum I have given for homework. 8543 divided by 41. See, 41 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 82. Okay, so I guess 41 2s are we'll have to take, but we'll check 41 3s are also. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. No, it becomes a 3-digit, children. Hope you have understood what I am explaining. I'll show it to you in the working. See, 41 divisor is smaller than our 2-digit dividend, that is 85. So we can take 2 digit. So 41 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 82. Okay, but if you want to check out 41 3s are, that will be big, because we have understood 82 we have got here. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. It is a very big number. So we go for 2s are. So 41 2s are 82. Subtracted, 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 8, 0. Now we are bringing this 4 down. See. Now 34 is smaller than 41. 34 is smaller than 41, our divisor. So we cannot divide. So what will we do? 41 zeros are 0. Then bring the 34 down. Okay, means 4 minus 0, 4, and 3 comes down. Now we can bring this 3 down. So now 343 can be divided by 41. Let's check out which number. 3s are we have already done, that's 123. So 41 into 5 will become 2. 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Let us try with 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32. 328. Let us check with 41. 9s are 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. No. This is bigger than 343. So we'll go for 8s are. Okay. So 8s are is 328. Minus it. From 4, borrow and give it to 3. 4 will become 3. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 will be how much, children? That's right, 5. And 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Got it, children? So 15 is a remainder. So 208 is a quotient, and 15 we got as a remainder. Hope you have understood. See, 41 2s are we got 82. Then we have subtracting. Then we are bringing 4 down, but 34 is smaller than 41. So we cannot divide. So 41 1 zeros are. Then 34 comes down. Then we bring this 3 down from the dividend. And then it's the 3-digit which we can divide. So quotient is equal to 208. Remainder 15. Check out with the verification that I have shown you. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now the sixth sum, children. 56,741 divided by 26. Look here, we can take 2 digit because our divisor is a small number. So 26 2s, 3s is bigger than 56. Okay, so 2s will be how much? 26 2s will be the working we can do. 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 52. So 26 2s are 52. Minus it. 6 minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 5 is 0. Clear? Now next is we can bring the 7 down. Okay, Now 26 into something closer will give us 47. 26 ones are, because 2s is giving us 52. Okay, so 26 ones are 26. 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Now you are going to bring the 4 down. See, I am showing with the arrow. So it's 214. Let us check 26 into what gives us 214 or smaller than that. 4 6 are 24. 4, 2 carried. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 9, 10. No, it's very small. So 26. 5s are 5 6 are 30. 0, 3 carried. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 130. This is also little smaller. So let us try the bigger number. 26 into 7. 7 6 are 42. 2 4 carried. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 will be 18. 182. So 26 tens are will be children 260. Let us try with 26 nines are. 9 6 are 54. 4 5 carried. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 5 will be 23. 234. That is quite bigger. So 26 into 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 4 carried here. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 will be 200. So 208. So 26 8s are we can take, children. 26 8s are is 208. Okay. So minus it now. 1 minus your 14. This will become 0. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 14 minus here it is 0, children. So 14 minus 8 will be how much? 14 minus 8 will be 6.